let's take the second model of VSAQs. That is, when center is given and point is given. So take a question. Find the equation of the circle passing through -2, 3 and having center at 0, 0. So now you see there is a circle. Center is at 0, 0. And the circle is passing through -2, 3. Which means a center is given and a point is given. So first let us write down given center C is equal to 0, 0 and point P is equal to -2, 3. You can see in the figure, if I join center and point, we get radius. So here write down, we know that CP is equal to radius. Which means if we find the distance between C and P, we get the radius. That is root over. Now we apply distance formula. What is distance formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is root over -2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. You can take center as x1, y1 and point as x2, y2. That is root over 4 plus 9, which is equal to root 13. But they are not asking us radius. They are asking us equation of circle. So what is the equation of circle? With center and radius. Center is 0, 0 and radius root 13. What is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So now take center as h comma k. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to root 13 whole square. Square root cancel. This is x square plus y square is equal to 13. This is the required equation. So the next question is, find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having the center at -4, -3. So let's draw a figure first. Let's draw a circle. This is the center. Center is at -4, -3. And this is the point, let's say. Point you can take anywhere on the circle. And point is origin. Origin means 0, 0. Now if I join C and P, I get R. So let us start the problem. Given center C is equal to -4, -3. Point P is equal to 0, 0. Okay, let's take center as x1, y1 and point as x2, y2. Anyhow, you can take center as x1, y1 or x2, y2. Point you can take x1, y1 or x2, y2. Answer will be the same. Now we know that CP is equal to radius. So R is equal to distance formula. 0 plus 4 whole square plus 0 plus 3 whole square. That is root over 16 plus 9, which is equal to 5. You got radius as 5. Now what is equation of circle? We have center and radius. With center -4, -3 and radius 5. What is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus h is minus 4. So minus of minus plus 4 plus y plus 3 is equal to 5 square. Now open the brackets. X square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 25. Now 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 and 25 cancel. So we get x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y. 6y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. So take the next question. Find the equation of the circle passing through 3, 4 and having center at minus 3, 4. So again let's draw a circle. Take the center as C minus 3, 4 and the point as P 3, 4. Now let's join them. That will become R. So let's start the problem. So given center C is equal to minus 3, 4. Let's take this as x1, y1. And point P is 3, 4. That is x2, y2. We know that CP is equal to radius. So R is equal to square root of distance between C and P. 3 minus of minus 3 will become plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. This is 6 square. Square root get cancelled. That is 6. R is equal to 6. Now what is equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r? Formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Take center as h comma k. So x minus of minus 3 will become x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 6 square. So x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y minus 36 is equal to 0. So finally we get x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y. See, 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 minus 36 is minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the required answer. So this is the third model of circles VSAQs, that is concentric. So find the equation of the circle which is concentric with x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through one point. So concentric means one circle inside the other, like they have the same center. Concentric circles have the same center. So now one circle equation is given to us. So equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Equation, this is the given equation. Okay. Now equation of the circle concentric to this circle. Let's say this is equation number 1. Concentric to equation number 1 is the whole equation will remain same, only the constant will change. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now let's say this equation passes through the given point. Passes through minus 2, 14. So in the place of x we substitute minus 2 and in the place of y we substitute 14. So minus 2 square plus 14 square minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is equal to 0. So 4 plus 196 plus 12 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. 4 plus 196 is 200. 200 plus 12 is 212. Now what is 212 minus 56? 156. So you get 156 plus k is equal to 0. So you got k value as minus 156. Now substituting this value of k in equation number 2. So x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. So moving on to the fourth model of circles VSAQs, that is when ends of diameter is given. So the question is find the equation of the circle with minus 4 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 4 as ends of a diameter. So first we will draw a circle. Draw a diameter. Ends of diameter are given. A is minus 4 comma 3 and B is 3 comma minus 4. So first let me give you the concept. Equation of circle with A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2 as ends of diameter is formula is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x plus 4 into x minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. The same way we multiply the second two brackets. Okay. So y square minus 3y plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square, 4x minus 3x is plus x, 4y minus 3y is plus y, minus 12 is minus 24 is equal to 0. This is equation of the required circle. So take the next question. Find the other end of the diameter of the circle. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is equal to 0 if one end of it is 2 comma 3. So the circle equation is given to us, but both the ends of the diameter are not given here. Only one end is given. One end is 2 comma 3 given. The other end we don't know. So we are assuming it as x comma y. So like in the last problem, both the ends of the diameter were given. So we use that formula x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. But here because both the ends are not given to us, we cannot use that formula. Instead, equation of the circle is given. So let us first write equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 8y plus 27 is 0. So from this equation we get g as minus 4, f as minus 4, c as 27. Now center is minus g comma minus f. That is 4 comma 4. So you have the center. Center is 4 comma 4. But one end is unknown. We need to find this out. So we use a concept here. What concept? Center lies on this line. Understood? Center lies on the diameter. And also you can say center is the midpoint of the diameter. So we know that center is the midpoint of diameter. So we use diameter formula. So like midpoint formula we use. What is midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is midpoint formula. Okay. So in the place of midpoint, we write center. Center is 4 comma 4. And now we take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Now we added 2 plus x by 2 comma 3 plus y by 2. Now we equate them. X coordinates and y coordinates we equate. So we get 4 is equal to 2 plus x by 2 and 4 is equal to 3 plus y by 2. Cross multiply 2 plus x is equal to 8. So x is equal to 6. Here you cross multiply 3 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 5. Therefore, what is the other end? Suppose this end is A and this end is B. So B is 6 comma 5. So you can say the other end of the diameter is 6 comma 5.